Hi everyone, Carmel from KWT here. I'm going to walk you through how to do an installation of our KWT particle separator on the 2020 Pro XP today. You're going to start with your roll bar clamps. You take your roll bar clamps and you're going to put them on the roll bar on the top. These are 1 3/4 inches. And once your roll bar clamps are installed, you will take your mounting bracket arm that attaches to the filter and you will attach it to the roll bar clamp just like that. All right, now that your particle separator brackets are installed, the next step is to install the particle separator to the bracket. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna wanna make sure that the lock washer that comes in your kit is between the particle separator and the bracket. And then what you'll do is feed the screw in through the side of it. So I'll show you how to do that. All right, now that we have our KWT particle separator installed, our next step is to connect the duct hose from the bottom of the particle separator into your stock air filter box. So this is the stock intake hose for the 2020 Pro XP, and you are not going to need it anymore. We do supply the duct hose in the kit that comes with your particle separator. All right, next step, you need a 4-inch hole saw, and we are going to drill a hole that the duct hose will come through. You're going to center it in this box right behind the passenger seat. All right, next step, we use the rubber hole cover that goes outside of the hole just to make it look nice and clean. So you'll wrap it around and it'll look like that. All right, now we are gonna use the hose clamp and we are gonna install the duct hose to the stock air filter box. All right, next step, you're gonna attach the other end of the duct hose to the bottom of the particle separator. You're gonna wanna measure it out, and then you're gonna use a pair of wire cutters to cut the wire and attach the hose clamp to the bottom of the particle separator. All right, so you're gonna wanna take about 1 inch of the wiring out of the top of the duct hose so it fits nice and secure around the particle separator, and then what you'll do is tighten the hose clamp around the particle separator. All right, final step is to secure all of the bolts on the side of the particle separator to make sure everything is tight for when you're writing. All done. So this is the completed install and one of our mounting solutions for the 2020 Pro XP. Hi everyone, Carmel from KWT. We are installing on a 2020 Pro XP today. I'm going to walk you through how to do the installation. So what we have here is our new universal mount. What you're going to do first is you're going to take the base of the roll bar clamp and attach it to the universal mount. Once you have that attached, you're going to attach it to the actual roll bar. You put the bracket around and then you feed in the bolt into each side and attach it and try to get your angles before you tighten everything down. All right, for this installation, we are going to do the forward mount. You place the filter underneath the universal mount, and you're going to take your washer. The washer, you're going to make sure that it goes up against the filter itself. And then the bolt will feed through the mount into the particle separator. All right, this is how the filter is gonna look when it's installed. You're gonna wanna make sure that it is completely level and flat before you tighten everything down.